Hello and welcome to your favorite program. This is Nelly Somakanya bringing you the best of the land once again on your favorite program. This is Buhle Betfu. Today we are here at Malkin's area at the Brooklyn Lodge. We want to find out what is it that they have to offer to the members of the public, all the activities you can do up here, all the fun, all the pleasure, all the adventure. We want to explore it ourselves as you watch us to encourage you to come here. Let's go and see what they have for us.
My name is Lisa Carrera. I'm the Marketing and Reservations Manager at Brookside Lodge. Brookside is a lodge. We offer accommodation. We have a restaurant. We have a huge garden where people can have a lot of activities. We have accommodation for basically everyone, couples, groups, like corporate teams and everything. We have family rooms, and our family rooms consist of 2 bedrooms, your own kitchen, bathroom, and that sleeps about 2 to 4 people. Yeah. Our standard rooms, it's basically an opened area with a little kitchenette in your bathroom. 2 people max. We have our wooden cabinet. Our wooden cabinet is slightly smaller, just with the bed and with your little microwave, your kettle. Yeah. For the bigger groups, we have our hostel / like backpackers, which accommodates 60 people, 30 female, 30 male. Self-catering as well, and yeah, it caters for large groups. With regards to our restaurant, we have an a la carte menu, which we also cater for events, conferences, right? We have different menus for different events. And when it comes to like your everyday customers, we have traditional dishes as well. And yeah, we've just got a variety where you can pick and choose. Brookside Lodge hosts weddings, parties, team building. We have kiddies parties. Every Saturday there's an event. There's something happening. So yes, Brookside Lodge doesn't allow drinks nor food because we have our on-site restaurant where we then cater for you. Yes, people love Brookside. Oh, they love it. I guess they like the tranquil environment. It's peaceful, you know. It's a relaxing environment. Yes. We have our swimming pool. The kids have their kids area, the play area. We have our lakes, where you can fish, but obviously catch and release, not from consumption. Consumption. We have our pat area for adults and kids as well. Yes.
I am very much certain that you are enjoying Buhle Betfu. Let's take a short break because we still have a lot to offer to you. Stay tuned.
Igama lami ngingu-Happiness Dlamini, ngisebenela endaweni yase-Brookside Lodge. Lana ngilungiselela ukuthi ngivete ipizza yethu labayithanda kakhulu ema-customer ethu. Lebitwa ngekuthi yi-meat lover pizza. Ndawuqala-ke ngiyende le meat lover pizza yethu. Ngecala kwami ngicale ngispraye ipani lethu ukuthi ingeno-sticker ipizza yethu. Ngilandzele ipizza ngithathe ibase yami lengiyirolile ngayibhuca ngiyifake epanini. Bese sengiyalandzelisa ngifake isauce lemnanzi leyi-secret yethu lapha eBrookside Lodge lesiyisebenzisako. Bese sengiyayisprayda le pizza le base le sauce yethu kule base yethu ikhaverishe yonke le base yethu. Ngithi ngingacedza kufaka le sauce bese ngifaka ema-fillings ethu lesinawo leyi-secret yethu yale pizza. Shothi bacon ngiyamsprayda naye ngumhambise yonke ipizza yethu. Nayo ngiyayisprayda ma-fillings ethu ale pizza lemnanzi labayithanda kakhulu ema-customer ethu ihambe embili. Bese sengiyalandzelisa ngigcina nge-pepperoni. Yonke le tinto siyadiphroshina kuze kuthi singadileye ama-customer ethu naka-odako. Sitikale ngalama-grams. Bese ngilandzela nga-cheese wethu. Cheese wethu siyam-highlighta ngalo cheddar. Sebenzisa mozzarella cheese. Sim-highlighta ngalo cheddar. Siniketa i-flavor kule pizza. Sithi singacedza-ke kufaka cheese wethu epizzeni yethu bese sesifaka ema-peppers for i-color ukuthi tophuma i-appetizer le pizza yethu ibe yihle. Emva kwaloko siyayithatha siyifaka e-oven. Lakhaya sinayo i-breakfast. I-breakfast yethu iphethe i-English ne-continental. I-English ke ngilapho khona siseva inakhuza i-breakfast lephelele lenako konke lokuma sausage nabo bacon nako konke nemacala. Bese i-continental kulapho khona kunalabo ma yogurt nema cereals khona. Siyayiseva ke as a room service. Uyeta ufike uhlale e-restaurant noma ulele ufike udle i-breakfast yethu. Noma uchamuka ngaphandle nakhona siyathengisela. Kudla lesinako e-restaurant sinayo i-a la carte menu ekhathini nemalanga kuze kuyophela i-weekend. Lapho ka-a la carte menu ngilapho khona ufike uhlale phasi ul-custom ufike ubuke le menu yethu u-order. Sinabo bo-oxtail, ema-curries, sinawo ema-grills. Yes, sinawo konke lokumasaladi kuyahamba kuze kuyofika kuma-dessert. Siphinde sikayitharishe ke thina nema-events. Yes, lapho khona siba nema-buffet khona. Siphinde sibe nema-braai ke, ma-braai laba le endasi e-garden area yethu. Nalapho siyaprovide inyama letihlata ukuthi bahambe abantu bakhona beyotosela bathenge, batithenge kodwa batithengela kithi.
Brookside is on social media. You can follow us on Instagram at Eswatini Brookside Lodge, and Facebook it's just Brookside Lodge. For reservations, they can contact 7621-4228 or 7813-0561 or email us at reception@brooksidelodge.com.
So in 2022, beginning of 2022, we started a nice B&B, and the B&B's developed into food for the clients of the B&B, and the request came to start a restaurant. So Koka's Nest in Siswati, it came about that the restaurant started. 2022, we went through all the process with Council and Ministry of Commerce to acquire the correct licenses, which we received in November of 2022. And then we ran the restaurant for this year, last year, which has been a very, very nice blessing. We love our customers. It's a very homely based restaurant, and we aspire to make it the best restaurant in Swaziland in our humble state. We like to do it like that. We do have very high aspirations, and we do have, at this current moment, the highest ratings and reviews on Google worldwide and in Eswatini and on booking.com. So we like to think we're doing the right thing and heading in the right direction, and we like to listen to our customers on what they want us to do and where they want us to go. So we listen and we learn, and we do what the people want us to do, really, to fulfill the needs of the Eswatini community. From the B&B side, we offer, we are not a large facility at the moment. We have a cottage that accommodates 6 people, and we have 2 executive suites which accommodate 2 people up to 4 people in each executive suite. They're very upmarket, and our prices are extremely reasonable. We try and keep our prices as reasonable as possible. We have a very strong following from repeat customers. From the restaurant side, from food side, so due to demand and what our customers have asked us to do, we have started opening up for breakfast now, whereas before we only opened up at 11 o'clock. We now open at 9:30 in the morning. The kitchen will open from 9:30 until 8 o'clock in the evening. So as long as guests are here before 8 o'clock, they can sit after 8, obviously enjoy the meal. From a food and what we serve customers, so we serve food from a home perspective. Everything we prepare is home prepared, fresh prepared. Our chefs and that are all in-house taught. We do a lot of training in-house for our waiters and our chefs. From an activities point of view, so basically really at the end of the day, we are a restaurant. We're a sit-down dinner menu type facility, but we do cater a lot, and we have every weekend we have 2 or 3 birthday parties, engagement parties. We do a lot of private celebrations. We're not allowed in Proud Place. We do like it as a sit-down menu, and obviously we have, as you see in the background, our magnificent gardens and that, which is a big draw card for our customers. So how we normally arrange it with the guests is that the guests would come in, they would sit down, relax, order their meals, then they're free to go into the gardens, walk around, relax. As we also always do, we love to take pictures of ourselves in the garden and post them on Facebook. There you go already. So we offer the restaurant as a restaurant, but also as a facility for children to come and play in the gardens and relax. We have a bird feeding program outside of the restaurant because we're not allowed birds in the restaurant. So we have bird feeders and that in the garden where we encourage the children to come and obviously play in the garden, relax, unwind while mom and dad can sit and have a nice meal. And the children also learn about nature. Our bird life from the dam, on the Tubungu Dam, is exquisite. We have pelicans here, we've had flamingos, we have fish eagles, we have cormorants, we have spur-winged geese. Sometimes the spur-winged geese flocks are up to 120 birds in the flock, which is absolutely stunning to see. Then, of course, we have amazing, beautiful sunrises and sunsets every day, which is very difficult for us as hosts to live here and to watch it every morning. We are very, very spoiled and very blessed to live in a facility like this. It really is nice. So this is a privately owned dam. So it is owned by a lady. So we do have permission from the lady who owns the dam, that because we're on the waterfront, you are allowed as a client, a restaurant client, to be able to come in. We do have fishing rods and that available and kit available. So you could come in and have lunch and then throw a line in the water as long as you're a restaurant guest. And otherwise we'd have the whole Eswatini in our front garden fishing. But yeah, so from that perspective, it is a catch and release. So we're not allowed to take the fish out and cook it for you in the restaurant. That is not allowed. So, but we get a lot of people coming in who just like to come and sit and chill and relax and fish. Booking wise and from the restaurant wise and the booking wise, you can phone 7808 8802. That is the Goga's Nest telephone number direct. Failing that, you can always get hold of us on Facebook, or for the booking.com side, you can book through booking.com, through TripAdvisor, Airbnb. But most guests we find, once they've been here once before, they'll phone us direct, because our B&B guests, they're not a number to us. They become friends, and we have a personal contact with almost every person that stays here for a night or 2 nights or 3 nights. So we make sure we have a personal relationship, and we become one-on-one friends with each person. So they get our number, and when they want to come again, they phone us directly, and that's generally how we work on a booking point of view. The restaurant side on that, we used to work on Please Book. But we don't mind walk-in customers as well, as long as we have space. That's always the challenge with us. But our marketing comes from word of mouth of our customers, which ensures that our service has to be good and right and the best in Eswatini, that people talk about us in a positive way. Because you know the rule, everybody likes to talk negative and very few people like to talk positive. So we make sure, we try very, very hard to make sure that what we say and what we do is positive, that our customers always leave with a smile on their dial.
Igama lami ngingithokozane ngwakashongwe, 20 years of age, and I'm a chef at Hoga's Nest restaurant. Then let's figure when sikunika a menu, then you choose what's okay. Namhla maybe you feel like pancakes or you feel like having eggs, then you ask like it's okay. Sikwendela kanjani, if you eat your eggs, like how do you want them, from easy, over easy to all the way to well done. Okay, we start all the way from my starters. So now my seafood. We cater also for my vegetarians, and we've got soups and all that, like one of the specialities in Jeleskona, Hungarian mushroom soup. I know, but by haytans. But you should try it. I buy it tons actually. Then this is look light. Bama salads, chicken salads. Siben seafood salad. Konke ema wraps, like chicken wrap, beef wrap. Sambege. This is ema meals la makulu. Them tembe for 2. Lapho ke khamba ne chicken, beef, pork. Don't get them. This is what palace. Yabona nje for. Then this is ema burger. You can get anywhere. We also do it here, all the way to sweet stuff, desserts, which is the hamburger malva pudding. Everyone loves our malva. This is about my brownie, and then this is a slice of chocolate cake. This is my pizza. We do everything ourselves. We from Buhle Betfu. Our pizza sauce and the toppings, we go all over the world actually. They go all over the world searching for like the exclusive ingredients, like the cheese, the sausages and stuff like that. So yeah, now the pizza it's quite one of the kind, yeah. Okay. Promise you. Thina asikuvumela ukuthi uthenge kwakho la, like from drinks and everything like that. Is konke nje ukuthola la njengoba ubonile for sure ekuqaleni when you came here, the bar and all that. Nekudla ukuthola lana. So on big parties sicela ukuthi in pre-order, we send the menu to you guys, and then this is in your pre-order, because le now ikhishi lethu lincane akusikho ngathi i-upmarket like impela njalo. Ikhishi lethu lincane sicela ukuthi in pre-order nangabe intawuta libaningi, so that nikhanze ukuthi maybe kudla kwenu halfway prepared, nanifika asivele siyakuserva, so that the pressure ito iza apha nala ngekhathi. Yes. Last week nje sina 3 big tables, kunala 18, kunala 20, kunala 22. Okay. So basically la ngithi a pre-order, so kudla kwabo bese vele sesinako ukuthi okay laba bafuna ini, then linye lebe likaka pre-order. So but ke ngalozo it's just 22 people sakhona ku execute kahle. We did very well. Then bese sekuba nalamanye ke ma walk-ins, like the small tables kan sibafika ababo 5, 6. So basically inombolo le nangesivamise kugcina kiyo ngaba 100. Okay. 100 people. And after that ke ayivele sisaqala sashake because le khishi vele lincane, alithathe pressure lenkulu. Yeah. Kula matafla lamakhulu when they book bashayela le nombolo le 7808 8802 or 7608 022353. Yeah, Mr. Emmett. So basically lapho bayasho okay bata bangaki nangisikhathi ngibani ngini lelang. No, so that isabe sesithina sesibasendele menu, it's okay. Nangabe sibona ukuthi okay inombolo lenkulu vele, siyacela ukuthi ba pre-order, and then sebeda bakhanza ukuthi seku right. That's how we've been able to do with the big groups like Anjali, yes.